How to fix TikTok not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix TikTok is not letting you log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So, if you open the TikTok application here, and then you just go ahead and then just try to log into your account, but then it simply says that TikTok is not able to let you log in or any side of issues like that. Now, what do you do if TikTok is not letting you log in? First of all, you understand why the issue is, which could mean that you could have been entering an incorrect credentials for too many times, and that is why TikTok is not letting you log in. Or maybe you're trying to log into the same account over and over again. That's why they're giving you this issue. So if it is the first issue, you can tap the login option and you can choose to log in with the email or username, or you can choose to log in with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Instagram, depending upon what is comfortable for you. If this is not the case, and let's say your account's details are also correct and then it's still not letting you log in, what you can try to do is, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and see if that helps you solve your problem. The reason I'm telling you to do this is because changing your Wi-Fi or your network will eventually change the IP address and let TikTok think that it is a new person trying to log into that account, and then they should give you access back into your account again next time whenever you try to go ahead and then log in. This way you'll be able to fix TikTok not letting you log in. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.